What is Stockocity 2? Actually, Stockocity 2 is the upgraded version of Lifespan Stock Video. Compared to its previous version, Stockocity 2 includes several updated features, one of which being 6000 HD footage videos. Also, for being an early fowl brings out another 500 videos and 75 high-def videos per month for 24 months. Some may wonder why Richard always adds lifetime in his products. Lifetime hosting, Lifespan Stock Video and Lifetime Studio DX. Actually, this is his brand. His ultimate goal is to provide something that can last and be used for lifetime, not simply something interim or temporary. You can use all of these videos for your own projects or your householders. Until now, Stockocity 2 may be the finest choice you can have when it comes to stock videos. Instead of paying a lot to buy 0 files of videos, you can see full options without having to download every one of them to the hard drive. It will have monthly updates once you have the product. Stockocity 2 review. Features of Stockocity 2. Front-end package, $24.95. 6000 HD footage videos for your projects, videos and clients ones. If you buy it now, you have the bonus of 500 videos. 75 new HD videos month for 1 year. Auto 1, Pro version, $27. $37. 18,000 HD videos for your projects as well as for clients. Bonus for early bird, 1,000 videos. 200 new HD videos per month within 1 year. Downsell 1. Upgrade to 15,000 HD videos for projects and clients ones. 200 new HD videos for 24 months. Auto 2, Stockocity 1 Plus Time Warp, $27. $47. It is the complete Stockocity with a professional package containing 8 104K and HD videos and backgrounds. You have the 24 months of videos from FAY, OTO1, and OTO2 instantly. Downsell 2. 7,800 4K and HD videos and backgrounds. Membership with 24 months of videos from FAY, OTO1, and OTO2. OTO3, Stockocity with reseller right, $67. $127. You have the reseller license for Stockocity 2 with 100% FAY commission and 70% on OTOs. 20 license for $67. 50 license for $97. 500 license for $127. Downsell 3 gives you reseller 3 pay for Stockocity 2. 20 license for 3 months $27. 50 license for 3 months $37. 500 license for months $47. Who should use it? Stockocity 2 is suitable for everyone who wants to earn massive profit from internet marketing. If you intend to make money from videos, you should not ignore it. Moreover, it does not matter you are a newbie or veteran, you can work well with this product. Advantages and disadvantages. Pros. DFYHD stock videos. Easy to use without technical skills. Nothing to set up, so you can avoid the troubles. Cons. Although everything completed automatically, and you don't have to download or install the plugin, I still notice that you should check your internet connection before working.